Fiji's Nadi is a welcoming destination for solo travelers, but like any journey, safety comes first. Exercise common sense, especially at night, and secure your belongings. Engage with the local community and respect Fijian customs for a safer and more enriching experience. Solo travelers in Fiji have a buffet of transportation options. Rent a car for independence, hop on public buses for an authentic feel, or take taxis for convenience. Consider your accommodations location to plan your daily explorations efficiently. For digital nomads, Nadi is a hotspot with reliable internet in tourist-friendly areas. Co-working spaces and cafes offer great networking opportunities. For consistent connectivity, consider a local SIM card with a data package. Dive into Fiji's cultural tapestry by participating in kava ceremonies and visiting local markets. For a unique experience, seek out private tours or special access to cultural sites. These interactions offer a deeper understanding of Fijian life. Fiji's cuisine is a fusion of flavors. Try traditional dishes like lovo and kokoda, and don't miss the Indian-influenced curries. Engage with local chefs and take cooking classes to immerse yourself in the culinary culture. Fiji's nightlife is vibrant and welcoming. From clubs to beach parties and night markets, there's a social setting for every solo traveler. Embrace the Beulah spirit and make new friends as you enjoy the island's evening offerings. Whether you're on a tight budget or seeking luxury, Fiji has accommodations for every price point. Hostels offer a social atmosphere, while guest houses provide a personal touch. Consider the location and amenities that best fit your travel style. Creating your solo travel itinerary in Fiji can be thrilling. Balance structured activities with free time for spontaneous adventures. Use online resources or seek tailored advice from travel companies to discover Fiji's hidden treasures. When planning gets tough, expert travel assistance can be invaluable. Travel agents offer personalized advice and handle complex itineraries, especially when multiple islands are involved. They can turn a good trip into an unforgettable adventure. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.